So hey guys, welcome again to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to get better thumbnails. And the best thing, you can do it on your phone. Let's get into it. So you're probably asking yourself, why you need this first of all, right? Better thumbnails, it's going to show your videos a lot better. And most of all, you want to make your videos easily popped, easily found, and most of all, get the new viewers coming to your channel, get an idea about your style, what your video is about, and also it's part of your branding. Of course. What type of brand? Well, basically, thumbnails show what your video is going to be. It's basically like a marketing part of the video, marketing your video to the viewer. Like for example, you're watching this video, how to make better thumbnails, and we're going to explain very easy. And the apps you're going to need, I'm going to get into it right after this piece.
3 hours later.
To be exactly sure, I think I take a lot of time in making my thumbnails. I take approximately about sometimes an hour to 2 hours just to figure out what is the best point of doing it, as well as the best way to display what I'm trying to say about the video. And if you think about it, it's not that hard. It's real easy. And now I have some secret trick I'll use coming down to the end of the video. When you see it, comment down in the comments and tell me what it is. So my partner Jacob Walker asked this question: how do I do my thumbnails? So I thank my good friend for actually commenting and asking that point, how to do better thumbnails. And well, I'm going to tell you the 2 apps you need. First of all, I use an app called Snapseed on your phone. You get in the Play Store. Links will be down in the description in order to get that free app. Also, I use Canva, and I have a secret here. Do tell nobody about it. So you go on Google, remove background. Remove background is basically a web page. You upload your picture you want to remove. You remove the background of probably you want just blow out the product you're doing, or you want you to be in the video alone, the picture alone, to blow out you alone. So you go, click on it, boom, download, and easy as that, remove background.
A few moments later.
So right, we're at the computer now, and I want to explain to you what you're going to need to do your thumbnails. First of all, you need your picture. What I like, either take it separately before, after, or during, or the end of the video you do, portraying it. Most of all, the picture could be either goofy, like my last one with the Pepper Sauce video. If you see it, I'll link it up in the card there. Also, you gotta realize that the picture have to be real cool, real expressing itself, as well as to catch your eye, like I said before. There's gonna be like steps and tips what you're gonna need to get you making a wonderful but epic thumbnail. So here's what you're gonna need. Usually my main tip is, first of all, include yourself in it, so you create a human reaction between you guys. Because first of all, you are watching my video and you come every week during the upload time on Sunday, check out what other content, what other stuff I have for you. And this is going to help out you guys. I'm giving back to you. So most of all, you're going to need a picture. This picture is going to be what's going to be your thumbnail. So I had one previously, and this is my library I have currently. Right, after choose your own stylistic as well as creative way. We can see, you know, we're going to do some editing to the picture, and easy as that. After that, I will export the picture I have, and then afterwards go into snapseed, which you see I have currently, and you see the different effects as well as filters available. Take note, I prefer having a bright background as well as inserted in text as well as different branding. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on Snapseed, that is no problem. Just write in the comments. So guys, we almost finished at the end of this episode. I have some shout outs here. I want shout out local content creator. His name is Gaming with Nicholas. You'll see his picture for his channel here. He has 2 gaming channels currently. If you guys into Minecraft, easy man to check. Real cool. Show you some tutorials if you want to build a house in Minecraft, if you want to build a TNT cannon. You know what I mean? All those things, the great stuff. Also, I've coming up with a big announcement to the channel. Stay tuned. I hope you guys do enjoy what is coming up in the future. And that's it. This new variation we have here going on in the channel. And most of all, I'm here to help out you guys. If you have any problems or anything you found in the video, be sure to comment down below. If you have a different technique, because again, comment below and you can talk about it. I mean, I learn some, you learn some. I say we're all in this together. We're here for good and we're here to be better on YouTube. Most of all, if you found this video very helpful, be sure to like, comment, most of all, subscribe. Yes, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and enjoy your day. And most of all, be safe, stay safe, and stay safe.